Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Challenger fog light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct H11 replacement bulb. Make sure your Challenger is parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's also important to let the fog light assembly cool down completely before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns during the process. We'll walk through each step carefully. To access the fog light bulb, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This gives you better access to the fender liner. Next, you'll need to locate and carefully remove the 3 plastic push pins that secure the fender liner. A flathead screwdriver can help with this. Once the pins are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light housing. This provides the necessary space to reach the bulb. Now, with the housing exposed, you can disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Simply press the release tab and pull it free. Then, carefully twist the old H11 bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from the fog light assembly. Once it's loose, you can pull it straight out. Take your new H11 bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Ensure it feels secure. After installing the new bulb, reattach the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert the 3 plastic push pins to secure it. Finally, turn on your Challenger's fog lights to test the new bulb and confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your fog light bulb. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.